If you missed everything that happened during today's session, don't worry. We're getting you caught up on the only stocks you need to know about. We got 4 minutes, and it's time for your top 10. Coming in at number 10, it's Nike. Shares up nearly 3%, reversing earlier losses. The world's largest sporting goods company is reducing its annual forecast for sales and earnings, and said revenue in China would decline in the next 2 quarters.
Dana Holding, meanwhile, up more than 6% today. The auto parts maker announcing that its board has approved an expanded stock buyback program of up to $1 billion. This is an increase of about $900 million over the more than $100 million already returned to shareholders. That's a big deal.
That is a big deal. And number 8 is another big deal. Finish Line, shares of the athletic apparel and shoe retailer are up about 3% on the heels of a first quarter earnings report that beat estimates. Net income, though, actually shrank by 59% due to its cost from its big tie-up with Macy's. The company, though, expects to see $250 million of sales from Macy's operations by 2017.
Number 7 is Dendreon, up 2%, jumping as much as 10% after the drug maker won the backing of European regulators for its prostate cancer treatment. The drug was approved in 2010 as the first therapy in the U.S. that trains the body's immune system to attack cancer cells as if they were a virus.
That is amazing stuff. AZZ down more than 10% today after the electrical equipment maker said profit fell 9% in the first quarter. AZZ's results fell short of Wall Street's estimates, and the company has issued a disappointing profit projection for, frankly, the entire year. It's not good.
Well, it's not good there, but number 5 is GameStop, and it is pretty good. Up around, we'll call it 3%. Bank of America is rating the video game retailer a new buy with a price target of $55 a share. GameStop has been on a rally since Microsoft backpedaled and said that there will be no limitations on sharing games for its upcoming Xbox One gaming console. And I gotta say, guys, I'm kind of relieved about this. I got the email saying, hey, you can reserve your first, I guess, edition of this Xbox One gaming console. And I'm a little tempted, guys, I gotta say.
Wait a second, are you a gamer?
I am a gamer.
Oh, wow. You things every day.
I am. I love them. I haven't found time to play them that much, but I do go to GameStop every once in a while because they do a robust trading environment for these used games.
Well, you know, you should get one and call up our boy Matt Miller, who's still home recovering with his broken leg, and you guys could game yourselves all weekend.
I'm going to plan on doing that maybe even this weekend, guys.
All right.
All right. Sounds good. Have fun. Number 4, Biogen. Shares of the drug maker are up almost 4%, surging the most in 20 months. Investors are optimistic that Biogen's multiple sclerosis pill may gain protection from generic drug competition in Europe.
And Accenture, shares of the tech consulting company, the second largest in the world, by the way, down 10% today, tumbling the most in 4 years after its sales forecast trailed the estimates. Accenture's plunge dragged down stocks, including rivals like IBM. People are signing up for long-term deals and spreading out the money rather than the more lucrative short-term deals. That's the issue.
That's a pretty big move for Accenture. Number 2 is a great story as well. Time Warner Cable, up 4%. Billionaire John Malone is reportedly looking at ways for Charter Communications to buy Time Warner Cable. That's according to people familiar with those talks. That's even after his initial overtures were rebuffed.
All right, we're moving on to our number 1 stock of the day, and it's BlackBerry. Shares are down 27%, falling the most since 2001. The company reported a surprise loss and weak sales of a new touchscreen model, underscoring its challenges in competing directly with iPhone and Android devices.